Hi, I'm Doug here at Global West, and today I'd like to talk about shackle bushing systems, including the front eyes, for 1964 through 73 Mustangs. Now, we manufacture the Del-A-Lum bushing for all those years. There are two kits. There's a 105 kit and a 106 kit. Now, what I have on the table that's right in front of me here happens to be a 106 SH. It comes with the front eyelet bushings, frame bushings, rear spring eye bushings, and of course the shackles. And we also have thrust washers. Now, the way a Del-A-Lum works is the bushings actually press into the spring eyes. Like this one you see right here has your standard factory rubber bushing. This is going to press in its place. And then the rear spring eye is this particular unit's got a little step on it here, presses in right here. The frame bushing is going to be a little shorter. And you notice they have grease fittings on them. All of our Del-A-Lum bushings are fully lubable, so you don't have squeaks. Since it operates on 6 surfaces, it's got an inner rotating sleeve, which operates on 2 on the shaft for the bolt and inside the housing. And then we've got the 2 thrust washers. You got 2 on each side, so that's where we get our 6. When it's assembled, it's going to look like this. And so what happens is when the leaf spring has to move, these things just rotate. There's no bind. Because when you use a Del-A-Lum bushing system, you get rid of that lateral movement. So when you're going around a turn, for example, in a Mustang, and you feel the rear end hedging a little bit, this system is going to eliminate that. And also when you use a Del-A-Lum system, you no longer need a Panhard rod. In fact, if you had a Panhard rod on with a Del-A-Lum system, you would create a bind. And the reason why that is because a Panhard rod actually does push and pull the differential just a little, where the Del-A-Lum will not do that. It stays in the center of the car. There are 2 Del-A-Lum bushing kits for Mustangs. For 64 through 66, if you're running a standard spring, the factory had a smaller rear eyelet. It's going to measure about 1.370 to 1.360. They vary. It's not a round hole, but those are the measurements you're going to see. So the 105 kit, it's a 105 SH, is for the smaller rear spring eye. And the 106, of course, is for the bigger size. In 1967 up through 73, it went to a 1.4 to 1.410. Now, in the aftermarket world, most of the aftermarket springs in performance generally go to the bigger size, which is the 1.40 to 1.410. My suggestion to you is when you look at your leaf springs and you want to go for one of our Del-A-Lum performance bushing kits, before you order, you should take a look at this measurement back here, just to see what size you do have, because it could be anywhere out there in the industry right now. You could have the 105 use or the 106. It depends upon that rear spring eye. Front eyelets are all the same. Another thing this bushing kit does for you is in a drag race environment, it doesn't allow the leaf springs to walk inward. Under hard acceleration, the front eyes try to go like this, where the Del-A-Lum's going to keep it nice and straight, so it's going to help your launch as well. Del-A-Lum systems are used for the street, drag racing, they can be used in road racing, and they can be used in autocross. It's kind of an all-around bushing. Installing the Del-A-Lum system in the back of the Mustang requires pressing this particular bushing, the frame bushing, in the frame. And over the years, we've developed a little tool that helps us do that and really makes that part of the job so much easier. It's this tool right here. Part number is a TSH200. We do have a video online about how we're using this. It'll save you so much time on installation. It's well worth it. TSH200 for installation of the frame bushings. The 105 small diameter, 106 large diameter. Great setup for 64 through 73 Mustang. If you enjoyed this video and are interested in other videos that we may do or other products that we may have, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and check us out on Instagram. Thanks again.